everyone! Today we're going to make these fantastic flowers. They are so bold and colorful because we're using construction paper crayons on dark paper. Dark paper really makes these so bright, so fun, so vibrant. We're going to be playing with colors and pattern and design. Let's jump right into it. So the first thing that I like to do is I grab a color and I'm just going to make a few different shapes to start out. So maybe I'll make a heart. Oh, my kitties have the zoomies. They're running around like crazy. And over here maybe I'll do a circle. Maybe I'll do, a bunch of hearts connected, kind of like a clover. Maybe I'll do a bunch of petal shapes around a circle, I think. Give it a good base. So this is all about just getting a basic start to go around. Ooh, and I'm gonna make one kind of like, I think they're called hydrangeas. But do a bunch of circles. They kind of look like a bunch of grapes. There we go. So this is a good start. So from here, my goal is to use a little bit of every color and make layers. So you'll see I'm adding circles inside the circles. I'm adding hearts inside the hearts. I might fill in some shapes. I might add dots or circles to some shapes. So I'm just kind of playing around. And the goal here is lots of repetition. And I might even decide, I started these shapes with this color, but I'm going to start something new with another color. So maybe this circle will start an orange flower. Great. Now I'm going to grab a new color to play with. This is all about switching colors and switching designs, making everything bold and bright. So I'm going to add a bunch of circles around that one. I'm going to add another heart inside this heart. Maybe I'll add some dots to there. Maybe here I'll add some squigglies coming out of the flower. I'm using a lot of symmetry. Symmetry means, Sammy's got something to say. You do something somewhere, you do the same thing again on the other side. In this case, I have lots of symmetry going in a circle, so it goes around and round and round. Ooh, I had missed one with the orange over here. There we go. Again, switch colors, add layers. I'm gonna add, I think, more circles because I'm liking a lot of these circles. And maybe some circles inside of these circles. So you see, we just keep adding layers. Maybe I'll add some bumps to this flower. Maybe I'll color in the middle of this flower. You can really play with this. Oh, I'm loving how this is turning out. Just fabulous. All right, and I think I'm gonna add a couple stems and leaves now. So just like curvy lines for stems and some curvy little leaf shapes. Beautiful. And some leaves. And to add dimension to these, I'm gonna then take a lighter green and I'm gonna add that following the shape. And this just makes me think of like the sun is hitting these stems and leaves. It makes them look bright and happy and more complex. I think I'll take a dark blue to make you think, oh, maybe the sun isn't hitting from that side. There we go. Now, I think I need a little more pink. Where do I want to add this? I think I'll add it around this design. Perfect. And maybe I'll do some dots in between the dark pink dots. So it goes dark pink, light pink, dark pink, light pink. This is a good art piece for patterns. Maybe I'll add triangles in between my circles. So it goes triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. What patterns can you add? What designs are you going to add? What shapes are you going to add? What colors are you going to add? There's so many things to play with. By the way, I think this is fun with construction paper crayons, but if you don't have construction paper crayons at home, that doesn't mean you can't do this. You can play with this with other drawing materials. So it'd be really fun with oil pastels or with markers on a lighter color paper. There's ways to play. So don't ever feel like you can't do projects without supplies. There are some artists who literally make art with trash. It's something that people do. If you have nothing to make art with, that doesn't mean you shouldn't get to be an artist. Hey, Sammy. Sammy joined. I don't know if he's in frame, but he's sitting next to me. He wants to watch. You can be an artist today, buddy? Does sound nice, huh? Alright, and I think I'm going to add a last little swirly flower because I'm not a fan of this space being empty. Actually this flower, I think I'm pretty happy. So you could spend a long time adding to these designs, but I wanted to just show you the basics because this project could go in so many directions. But that's how my quick little start came out. And if you wanted, you could even glue on some collage items. I honestly, for me, I kind of like this better without the collage items before I added them. That's okay. Both are still good. And you can see each one came out a little different and a little unique. I wonder if you did this with a friend, if your works would come out the same or a little different. I hope you have fun playing with this design. I hope you have fun, and I can't wait to hear about all of your creations. Have fun. See you in the next one.